Anyway, the tab accessory from this one collection, the Monster Wacky Mart series. Here. Okay, let's shake. Here's the details. ข้างคอจะมีดูดแบบนี้เป็นtime Pop Mart and Labubu mini market here. This one Pop Mart, this one Labubu mini mart here, and this one yeah. Mình ấy sao ta hai ní chia lẻ cái này đây vì đại trả ok phải kem nóng là cái này bạc chế sạch cái nát thay hàng khóm vì chỉ là cái này phốm vừa tuần phốm ok rồi sai ní những ai nè ok cùi dưỡng cho người về clay tam đằng trắng này let's check like that. Just like that. But this one too long for me. So I make the things tight more. Maybe I take around this here. It should be. I put something in. Here. Labubu the monsters. And yeah, here. This one have foam also. Welcome. Labubu mini mart open 20 hours. 24 hours, sorry. Okay, let's check. I think it's still long for me. Like that. I think it's still a bit long. We put some more. Sorry. Check again. Here. Yeah, this one look good. Not bad. So maybe I put some keychains on this. Maybe I put this one here. I put this one. Just like that. Not bad.